Are you tackling a significant cleanup, home renovation, or construction project in Wallkill, New York? Harley's Hauling and Dumpster Rental is your go-to expert for dumpster rental in Wallkill, New York. We offer a wide range of dumpster sizes to handle any type of project, big or small. At Harley's Hauling and Dumpster Rental, we take pride in providing hassle-free, reliable service tailored to your needs. Our dumpsters are perfect for everything from household junk removal and landscaping debris to construction and demolition waste. With fast delivery and flexible rental terms, we'll keep your site clean and organized. We're more than just a dumpster rental company. We're your partners in waste management. From helping you choose the right dumpster size to providing prompt pickups, Harley's Hauling and Dumpster Rental makes the process simple and stress-free. Our friendly and professional team is always dedicated to giving you the best service. For reliable dumpster rental in Wallkill, New York, choose Harley's Hauling and Dumpster Rental. Call 845-418-7000 or visit www.harleyshaulinganything.com. Dumpster Rental Wallkill, NY, to reserve your dumpster today. With Harley's Hauling and Dumpster Rental, keeping your project clean has never been easier.